don't you think the Congress also has to take responsibility that
So,
at a macro level there has been a failure in terms of
yeah.
waste management?
I'll tell you, see, in our country, unfortunately, in our
Yeah.
society, unfortunately, the idea of having toilets and making toilets an integral part of an infrastructure of the house has not been there. In the last 10 years, let me tell you, the Rural Development Ministry ran programs. Vidya Balan was one
Yes,
of the
Vidya, I
brand
was just
ambassadors.
going to say,
Uh,
Vidya was on
yeah.
radio. Yes.
So those ads were created by Jairam Ramesh, and those are still on right now. BJP is using them also. That's very good on their part. But those ads were done, and because of the constructive approach of the UPA government, that penetration of toilets increased tremendously. That it has increased previous years. And also, let me tell you that manual scavenging, which is, I must say, a curse to our society, was banned in 2012 by an act that was created by Act of Parliament and the UPA government. But despite that act of manual scavenging, in Ahmedabad city, there are manual scavengers still there. You can just Google the news reports. So Mr. Modi, again, who was the chief minister, failed to implement. So that's what we are saying. A lot of good work was done by the central government. Money was given, programs were run. The state governments and largely the local bodies like Gandhinagar to Bhopal to Indore failed to implement it. But today they're adopting Gandhiji's vision.
So are
They're
you saying
adopting
that
UPA
your
programs.
government
I welcome it.
are you saying that your government failed to market what it's doing? Do you think Mr. Narendra Modi is doing
We
a
have
better
never.
job?
Congress has always been bad at marketing its achievements and its programs,
All right.
but we don't do things for marketing. We do things to change people's life. This is the legacy of the Congress.
But
92, we opened up the economy. Today, people are reaping benefits. We don't care about marketing. We care about the people. BJP cares about PR, and we welcome it. Even if it's for PR, they're taking our agenda forward. That's good.
We are using all forms of communication and publicity to get the point across, Shahjad
okay,
bhai.
Shehzad, you have to really come up with a great rebuttal to those lovely lines.
The Supreme Court is expressing its anger that they are changing environmental laws, and which is the crux of maintaining the ecological and environmental balance of our beautiful country. They are living in denial. They say it's NGOs who are doing this. It's when the media has actually supported them in this initiative, they're blaming the media that you all are not getting sensational news, therefore you all are making up all these stories.
All
And
right.
thirdly, they're living in denial for the last 60 years. So much has happened, but forget all of that. I am only asking Sanjeev ji that do not make Swachh Bharat the same way that Modi's Clean Sabarmati program took place, because today Sabarmati, after cleaning it by Mr. Modi, became the third dirtiest river in the country. I don't want my country to become even more dirty and just a part of Mr. Modi's elaborate PR event. Please get into it, get your hands dirty.
All
The
right.
Congress, yes, the local authorities of the Congress party have helped you. That's why Bangalore is clean, Pune is clean, Delhi is clean. The
All right.
ones which are not clean are Indore, Bhopal, which are your responsibility. Do it.
All
Do
right.
it.
All right.
Shahjad bhai,
Create awareness, to build programs, to empower the grassroots, whether it was the Nirmal Gram, whether it was empowering scavengers, whether it was doing things for getting the unorganized sector in place and empowering them, or environmental laws, which is the legacy of the UPA government. These things were done. The ground roots and the grass work was done. We didn't market it. We don't want to market it. Now the BJP, all it has to do is build up. Today, when you see that the dirtiest cities are Jaipur, Indore, Bhopal, these are all BJP run cities. Not Karnataka, it's not Bangalore, it's not Delhi.